SKYBIRDS International is a New Delhi-based company specializing in the manufacturing and supply of broadcasting and telecommunications equipment. One of their key products is the SKYBIRDS-2408V encoder modulator IP-based multiplexer 8 channels. This professional-grade device integrates encoding, multiplexing, scrambling, and modulation functionalities. It supports 8 CVBS inputs with MPEG-2 encoding, 1 DVB-C-T-T2 ISDBT tuner input, and 128 IP inputs via Data 1, GE, and Data 2, FE ports. The SKYBIRDS-2408V offers DVB-CT RF output with 4 adjacent carriers and provides 4 MPTS outputs through Data 1, GE, making it suitable for applications such as small CATV head-end systems and hotel TV setups.